Folks, I can already warn you, this match will not be for the faint of heart. The war of words between these two men, CM Punk and Cactus Jack, has come and gone, and now it's time for a war of wills, a war of weapons, a war of whatever sadistic machinations have been running through these men's minds.
It does not get more hardcore than the ECW arena, especially when it's Falls Count Anywhere. CM...
Well, I, for one, am glad. That match would have been a battle by proxy. This one is a hardcore war happening.
That'll turn your lights out.
Fans have long awaited this showdown, as Punk and Jack's paths have never quite crossed.
Indeed, Corey. Around the time Cactus Jack was winding down his full-time career, CM Punk's career was just beginning. While Cactus did have a brief in-ring return as Mick Foley. What happens next is anyone's guess.
I can't wait to see. It's just a beat down. Down with the Bulldog.
And Cactus Jack is just so...
Violence is Cactus Jack's stock and trade, but it needs to be CM Punk's as well here.
Everything he can do to create space here. Whiplash neckbreaker. Oh, God. That might have punctured something.
Using the chair with no caution at all.
Oh, man! Punk sidesteps out of that.
Implanted by the DDT.
Trying to impale them with that chair.
Oh my gosh, what impact!
Right up.
Cactus Jack looking for the double arm DDT.
Oh, no, I can't imagine what's going to happen next.
I can't wait to find out.
Taking this fight to such a dangerous area. There's potential danger everywhere you turn. Drop kick from behind. And this one might be headed ringside. Back suplex.
Very nice.
Look at this!
Good Lord, taking flight.
The neck. Wait.
He kicks out before the count starts.
I am on the top of the mountain here in WWE, but let's not pretend they are both in the same echelon.
Cactus Jack looking for the double arm DDT.
As Cactus
Punk with complete disregard for his well-being. Oh, looking to cripple the leg.
Violent artistry courtesy of Cactus Jack and CM Punk. That's what this bloodthirsty crowd clearly wanted. And now that is exactly... Get more intelligent or more diabolical than this one. This all-out cranial assault is the stuff of evil in-ring genius. From the sky!
Bang! What a splash! And Cactus Jack is taking command of this one.
It's gotta be hungry. Cactus Jack once again thriving in the land of extreme.
Cactus Jack standing tall in the ECW arena. He and CM Punk just went to war.
One can only imagine how satisfied Cactus Jack must be with both the violence he just inflicted on Punk and the violence that Punk just inflicted on him. I imagine that for Cactus Jack, this